Good morning, dear student. Today we are going to the present progressive or present continuous tense. Dear student, this tense is used to express the action which is still continuing at the moment of speaking or writing. Dear student, this tense is used to express when the action is continuing when the speaker speaks. Dear student, some examples are given here. They are playing football in the park. Dear student, here we can see the action is continue when we speak. They are playing. She is doing her assignment. In this sentence, the action is continuing when we speak. So to show continuity, the tense is used, present progressive or present continuous tense is used. This tense is formed by present participle of a preceded by the present tense of the verb to be, is, am, are, has, and auxiliary verbs. Dear student, we use is when the subject is singular subject, he, she, it, and third person, or when the subject is plural number. Am is used only when the subject is I. Dear student, the construction of sentences, affirmative sentence and negative sentence. First one, affirmative sentence, subject. First we write subject in affirmative sentence and then verb. Dear student, subject is, am, are, has, auxiliary and present participle form or ing form. And next, object, complement, advantage. Negative subject is, am, not, and present participle form. Dear student, when we make negative, we use not before main verb or principal verb. Dear student, the pattern of interrogative sentences. When the answer begins with yes or no, question begins with is, am, are, has, auxiliary at first. Is, am, are plus subject plus V1 with ing. Dear student, present participle form. When the WH word, first WH word, question word, what, where, when, is it, is, am, are, subject and V1 में ing. Yes. Example, Mohan is writing a letter. Here Mohan is singular subject, so is used, and writing is present participle form, a letter, and in this sentence the action is continuing when we use when the aspect of is, the action is continuing when the speaker is speaking, and he is running at this time, the action is continuing of speaking time. I am teaching, action is going on, and you are singing a song. Here it shows continuity. Is she cooking food? The cow is not grazing in the field. The cow is not grazing field in this sentence. This is negative sentence and not is used to make negative. Dear students, are you writing a novel in these days? What are you doing at these days? Dear student, now we can make sentences like using these patterns, and now we will read uses of this tense.